Hi, I'm Jennifer Matranga, the project manager for Oscar Renda Contracting. I'm here to give you an update on the progress of the infrastructure project. We will be finishing up the sewer work on Porter at the end of this week if weather allows. We will then follow behind with installation of the storm drain. Beginning next week, we will be installing the sewer main on Main Street. We will start the work on Main Street north of Division first. We have just completed all of the storm drain structures on Quirins. We will be following behind with road base over the next couple of weeks and then base course of asphalt. On Banaki, we are continuing to work on the jack and bore under the CSX railroad to tie in the water and the sewer south of the tracks. Once that is complete, we'll complete the installation of the storm drain down Banaki. We have installed road base on Esposito and will install base course of asphalt over the next couple of weeks. We are working on Esther's Boulevard east of Main Street in the CSX right-of-way, installing the sewer system. Once that is complete, we will install the storm drainage to complete the utility work in that area. We have completed the installation of the base course of asphalt on Lemieux from Esther's Boulevard to Elder Street. We have completed the installation of the base course of asphalt on Magnolia, south of Division. We have completed installation of landscaping, seeding, and restoration in the area on Porter, north of Division, on all of the intersecting streets east and west of Porter. Sidewalks, driveways, and landscaping on Hopkins and Thelma are complete. Sidewalks and driveways are almost complete on Division east of Kyvet, and we will follow right behind with landscaping and restoration and fencing. Once this area is complete, we will move to the west of Division to finish the sidewalks from Kyvet to Bone on the south side of Division. We will be installing the road base on Magnolia north of Division over the next couple of weeks, followed by the base course of asphalt. We've installed the surface course of asphalt on all streets east of Oak Street on the east side of the project. And depending on the weather, towards the end of this week, we should be installing the surface course of asphalt on Division Street east of Lee. Over the next several weeks, we will begin working on the sidewalks on all paved streets north and south of Division to the east of Kyvet, then followed by landscaping and restoration. To keep you updated on a couple of issues, the issue on Raynor, where we installed the curbing and road base per plans. However, it was determined that there was a design error issue with the back of curb elevations being too high, and we were stopped from laying asphalt paving on June 13th. We are working out the details of the change order so that we can proceed with that work. North of Division on Raynor, Cruces, Elder, Strawberry, Kyvet, Anglada, and Fayard, there were design errors also, and the quantities and sizes of the drainage pipe and structures were changed drastically, changing the scope of work for that area. This work will require a change order. We are working out the details of the change order with the city so that we can proceed with the work. We would like to remind residents and visitors that our speed limit throughout the construction site is 15 miles per hour. This is for the safety of the workers and for your safety. We would also like to remind residents that the orange rock bags that are located in front of the drainage structures are to protect our local waterways and a requirement of the contract and should not be moved. The bags filter sediment from the water before it travels through the drainage system, preventing silt and debris from going into the drainage pipes. We are appreciative of your continued patience and support. We are working as quickly and as safely as possible and remain committed to building a better Biloxi. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jack Grovick. I'm the Assistant Project Manager with Hemphill Construction on the Biloxi South contract, and I'm here to give you an update on the status of our work. We currently have a crew on Gill Avenue installing the new water line. After that is complete, we will move in a crew to finish the sewer, and following that, we will begin road restoration. We also have a crew on Bolton Lane installing the sewer line. We've already completed the water, so after the sewer line is complete, we will look to begin restoring the road. We also have a crew on Porter Avenue finishing up installing the sewer line. The water line is also complete on that street, so after the sewer is complete, we will begin putting the concrete back and restoring the road. We have concrete crews on Highway 90 and St. Francis putting back all the sidewalk and driveways. We are still waiting on Centerpoint to finish their work on Howard Avenue before we can move back there to complete the work on that street. We are looking to begin restoring Hopkins Boulevard in the next coming weeks. We are hoping to put down base asphalt on Hopkins Boulevard, Oak Grove Place, Bolton Lane, and Roselle Street before the end of the year. We would like to thank the public again for cooperating with our construction and keeping in mind the safety of our employees when driving around our construction zones. Thanks.